Good morning, everybody. We're here to wash out another t-shirt for you. Out here with this beautiful fractal tie-dye, or kaleidoscope, sorry, tie-dye.
Yeah, that's what we called it.
Kaleidoscope.
These shirts survived some pretty bad weather last night.
Yeah, it got a little bit rough out here, but you can see the shirts are still standing strong.
It even hailed.
Luckily we had them under a little bit of cover, but we didn't have them protected as good as we normally do.
I'm still really surprised that it hailed with how hot it is.
Anyway, I guess as long as it's cold up top, it's all that matters.
Alright, let's go.
To the inside. Woo. Nope. Got it inside now with some warm water. We're going to start to get it unbanded. See what we have peeking inside there. If I remember correctly, these are the shirts that weren't 100% white, so we're not going to talk about that. It looks like they dyed pretty good to me, even though they did have a touch of gray to them. I think they did real good on this one.
Let's see how it goes.
I think he's going to look great.
Cool.
Ooh, look at that. That is cool. That does look kind of like a kaleidoscope.
I think
You got the little dots on the bottom, across the top. Look at that. Star pattern in the middle. That's awesome.
I know.
See the back. Oh yeah. Dude, look at that. The camera didn't even do it justice, people. And in real life, this is colorful. Wow.
Hey, it turned out great.
And here's your final result. Check that out. Wow. Look at that. A beautiful, beautiful fractal kaleidoscope, sorry, I guess you could call it. Tie-dye tee. Look at that. It's got the nice little ring going all around the bottom, all around the top, and the middle there with the little star in the middle. If it was a larger shirt, you'd be able to see it better. There just wasn't really enough to go around on the sides like we normally would. But don't worry, we're gonna do a bigger one. And for our very first attempt, I don't think that this looks too bad. But yeah, let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.